ka office jong ka district medical and health officer Riboy district kala Asian talang ban rekhe ka world notable de ka balaju rekhe man la usnam ka life waitre ku jemang ka balong ka weina ka thong ban pendu jat ya ka jindi duma ne bam duma ka bakta ka kot ya kya ki pajba ka prathai hi borok ka wei ya ka ne ka program la penlong ha science hall nong po ka bal awan ban sakhilang da ka kong AR kanta edisi Riboy ku kong san ha ka jinya don lang additional SP ka Riboy udi yadaf ku sumbut kong san u bala pen sapriang ru ka khubor halor ki kendon an ki bate akabai de ka jindi duma pathar ka Dr. ND Mauri district nodal officer Riboy district lambat kiwi hagani ka ju ka sngi ka permanent staff na kaliang ka district medical and health officer ka jinya training kan bat ka office u district sport officer Riboy kila penlong da ka jinya kop mare marathon ka bajengai ku banyo kilometer bala sedang na do ka snong dulong nar bat penkut pat ha indoor stadium nong po halor ka phang mai Meghalaya to buko free Meghalaya kinong job akan ka jinya kop mare marathon kerdan beningkong hakal yang kisenrang ya kanam ladu la ra do skamlang subah bat kerdan baar la yora do monas bongrong badu inistar so syang kerdan balai kat bah hakal yang kikentei ka sildaris makri kala ra ya kanam ladu ka Antonia lingdo kerdan baar bat ka barisha khemdej kerdan balai bat ya kanam kiblasan kertan apa yang barok kinong simbenta hakal yang kisenrang la yora ya kanam ladu da uba bansuk langwar kerdan baar la yora do uba bobi nong bet uba deru DSO Riboy district ba tiling do akardan balai bat akal yang kikenthe layora daga kong esrani bat nakal yang kinong penyait kum kadak ka JMN sim kila samru de kusnam sya kinong job
1 2 3
teachers come the come shnong but village health council but they can't because we might be celebrating 31st of May as World No Tobacco Day, but it doesn't end on one day, culminating on programs where throughout the month you are having rallies and you are having quizzes and art competition, drawing competition and this and that. Yes, this is to create awareness. This is to to make the students, to make the young ones think about the effects and the impacts of tobacco. But come to me, we can school ho or manda khelo na ko ni khelo. To me ni nyama to duman TV cigarette to me nakshisi no. Yes, nakshisi. It's only once and it takes only once for you to just try, okay? And only once for you to get hooked to it. So I would request teachers, especially I know that under the SSA, there are the social health welfare ambassadors who are teachers and have a major role to play in terms of health, in terms of not only health of the children, but health of a family altogether, to think about it. And tobacco is one way you can help to improve not only the well-being of a child physically, but emotionally, mentally as well. So I would request request here that if we want to have a tobacco-free Meghalaya, it begins at home, it begins at school, it begins at a village. And hence my sincere request, Nangkirpal Khamdam Yaki teachers, Nangkirpal Khamdam Yaki Nongkit Kamshnam, Yaki Village Health Council, which is a very new thing which we have started at Meghalaya, to kindly take it very seriously regarding tobacco. We have tobacco-free villages only in 2 villages of the district. I would sincerely request the DNO and the Office of the DMHO, and also from the side of Child Protection Officer side, to kindly see that you can give all your efforts in collaboration with the district administration to help create such villages, to help create such schools, such environments where children, where mothers and fathers are enthusiastic and are able to get rid of their addiction of tobacco. And I will not take too long of your time, but I also know that I have worked very closely with Dr. Nongri, who is the nodal for NTCP in Meghalaya. And we have also done from the district administration